Hey guys, it's Olivia again, and today I have something a little different but exciting for you. Let's be honest, staring at the charts and waiting for the perfect trade can be a little boring, right? So sometimes we need more action and make moves fast. So for those people who like fast results, I have got a super cool strategy with just one indicator. Exciting, so let's get started. Alright, the only indicator we will need is the sharp trend cycle and the values right in front of you guys. The only thing is to do is change it from 23 to 25 and that's it. We're good to go. So let's use this currency pair as an example, just a random one that caught my eye. So see how the line on our indicator is right at the bottom. We need to wait it to cross the 25% zone, and that's the exact moment to open a 30-second trade. So with our time frame also set to 30 seconds, we will open the trade for the duration of just one candle. That's exactly what we need. I will be opening trades with $100 to keep the risk low while showing you everything clearly. Okay, I will wait for the signal and come back to you guys. Sorry, the price here isn't moving much, so let's switch to another pair since the strategy needs to be dynamic and we are just sitting here waiting. Right now, before your eyes, there were a recent breakout below the channel, so I'm opening a 30-second down trade. See how the price just shot down? Looks like the crossover happened recently. Ideally, entering around this area wouldn't have been perfect. But even so, we have caught a solid signal and should earn $92. And yes guys, the trade closed in profit. We could wait a bit for the price to reverse and open in the other direction, but I think I will move to other currency pairs. Here is a good setup, some 30 seconds down again. We see the chart starting to turn and our indicator confirms it. Maybe I will open a second trade right away so we don't have to wait, and let's check the results. Okay, the first trade closed in profit, so it was a bit nerve-wracking, but the second one unfortunately didn't go so well. That's the downside of these strategies. Dynamism, we are not looking for something overly precious, just trading actively. But no worries, I think we'll cover that loss. So we have got 2 winning trades and 1 loss so far. Let's find something else for you. Okay, here is a similar setup. We could even open 2 trades right away. The price is dropping as our indicator shows and it hasn't hit its low yet. So I'm confidently entering 2 trades and just need to wait 10 seconds for the deserved profit. Of course, you can trade these dynamically and risky during regular sessions. Yes, bot trades closed with profit, though it was a bit tense, but you can trade like these in regular sessions. But if you are after that action, this might be what you need. Please, it gives you more chances to earn that trading blindly. That's why I'm making this video. So guys, craving action, don't just lose money, but actually profit while getting those long weighted trails. So let's look at an up scenario now. I will open 2 trades again. The second trade opened poorly right in the middle of an impulse, but I think it's not a big deal. So let's watch. Maybe the price will still surge up despite this pullback. I think we'll still take both trades in profit. The first one's definitely closing with a gain, but the second is just a couple of pips short. Let's check another setup, and I would like to end on a positive note, guys. So here it is, the perfect setup for 2 more trades. See how the indicator just crossed our weighted 25% line on the last candle. The entry moment is spot on, so we just need to wait. Great impulse to end, and the bot trade closed in profit. Just awesome. And I think we'll wrap up here and run some stats. Well guys, during this video I managed to earn $437, a solid profit, especially since this was 30-second strategy with just one indicator. So don't forget about my Telegram channel. All the links to my Telegram channel, to the platform, you can find in the description. So I'm waiting for your likes and see you in the next video.